Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over my experience with Temu so far. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to go ahead and use Temu but are skeptical about using it. How has my experience been with Temu so far? Now, to simply put, Temu has been absolutely fantastic, I must admit. The only downside is that their delivery times do take a bit longer as compared to Amazon's. But if you think about the types of items that you're ordering off of Temu, okay? If you think about like simple use case items such as rugs, maybe forks, spoons, then Temu is an absolutely great place to actually order items from. So if I go into my orders, let me actually show you all the orders that have been delivered here. Actually, I'll click on your review. So these are some very simple, basic items that I've ordered off of Temu that have been absolutely fantastic. So I got garage floor mats. I mean, you really have to think about items that you just can't mess up. So garage floor mats, they're pretty simple. Likewise, jars. Whether you order a jar from Temu or whether you order a jar from Amazon, it really doesn't matter. A dog finger toothbrush. So again, simple use case items, a harness. So a lot of different items I ordered from Temu, but if you really think about their use cases, they are very simple use case items. And so with that, Temu has been absolutely fantastic. I highly recommend that you give it a try. I wouldn't recommend buying like very complex items on Temu, like a laptop, for example, but simple use case items that you really can't go wrong with, like Temu is an absolute great option. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and explain whether or not Temu is worth it. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually explain this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.